Welcome to the second part, guys. In the second part, we are going to write the code for update query. Now copy the whole code of the insert and then paste on the code section of the update button. Now you only need to change the update query. Now go to your database and click on SQL update and remove the roll number because roll number is auto incremented. So you need to include the roll number. Copy the update query and paste over here. Remove this section. Its name is equal to what? Last name is equal to what? And address is equal to what? Where? Roll number is equal to what? Now PSC dot set string. The parameter index for roll number is 4 because it takes the parameter 1, it takes the parameter 2, it takes the parameter 3, and it takes the parameter 4. Roll number dot get text. Save. Then run your file and type to an update. Click on update. Update successfully. Check whether the roll number 2 is updated or not. Go to your database. There you go. Here the roll number 2 information is updated. Now we are going to write the code for the jTable. Now insert one jTable. Go to panel and drag one table and drop over here. Before writing the code for the jTable, you need to download one file named rs2xml.jar. Download this file from any website as you like. After downloading this file, go to your NetBeans and then right click on the libraries and click on jar/folder and then open this file rs2xml. Now go to the source and write one function public void show table data. Create one function public void show table data. Write the code, try connect to database driver manager dot clear manager dot get connection JDBC MySQL localhost plus database name yes Java new. Write the query. We have to view all the data from the database, so click on SQL, select asterisk, copy this SQL query and paste over here. Paste is equal to con dot query statement. RS is equal to pst dot execute query. Now look at your jTable name. Go to property. The jTable name is jTable1. Go to source jTable1 dot set model db utils dot result set to table rs. Now call this function json pandas show message dialog. Save this and call this function in the initialize section of here. Over here now run your file. You will see the old data stored in your database. Now insert some data. If you want to see the data instantly after adding the information, you should only call this function in the code section of the insert. Go here. Now we'll run the file, insert something. There you go. Now call this function in every button code. Your jTable information will be updated immediately. Now delete row number 2. Click delete. jTable also updated immediately. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you think this video helped you in some extent, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and then like this video and share this video. Thank you once again. Bye bye.